Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve too many requests on the application of Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve too many requests on the application of Discord, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of Discord. After that, you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Discord. If you'll find here update, then you can update your app in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.